How to accept a Slack invitation. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account, and then in here as an example, I'm going to invite my other account. So to invite other people, what you need to do is to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this invite people option. And then in here, you'll be given two choices on how you can invite people. You can either type an email here or simply copy the invite link to share it with your friends or team members. But as for me, I'm just gonna input my other email account here, and then after that, we'll have to tap on the send option. And then in here, we'll have to tap on the done option. And then after that, I'm going to open another browser and then simply open my Gmail account. In here, as you can see, I have received a Slack invitation. All we need to do is to open the email, and then in here, we'll have to scroll down and then simply tap on this join Slack option. And then after that, we will be redirected here. What we need to do is to create an account name, and then after that, simply tap on continue. And then after that, I will be automatically redirected to that Slack channel. So that's how easy we can accept a Slack invitation. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.